Let's go ahead and create an Instagram page. But we would be able to just go ahead and sign up for an account right here. So I could just go ahead and use my phone number or an email address. You're gonna have to go through your entire setup process. Okay, the next step is that we need to confirm our email address. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on send confirmation. Perfect. Now, as you can tell, our Instagram account has been activated. Now, you naturally want to go through your entire process of making sure that your Instagram account is completed and looks professional. What that means is to make sure that you have proper images, a few quality posts at the very least, several followers and people that you follow yourself. Make sure that they're specific to your industry. This is your business account. Do not mix this up with your personal account. Comments that you're posting here are considered a part of the culture of your community and the opinion of the community that you're creating. And it's a big part of your brand and a definition of what you stand for. So make sure that you have that in mind as you're commenting and responding to comments and having any sorts of communications, including posting anything on your account. With that in mind, let's just go ahead and get busy with the more important stuff. A few minutes ago, I went ahead and I opened this screen. This right here is the process for you to go ahead and turn this Instagram account that we just created into a business Instagram account. The instructions are very clear. However, you need to follow these instructions from your mobile device. So go ahead and grab your cell phone, go into Instagram, go to your profile page, and you will be able to click on the top right corner and the hamburger menu option, and you will be able to add your new account to your mobile device. So now this is basically what you're going to end up with is one Instagram app that actually is logged in both to your business and personal accounts. Once you're logged in there, you'll be able to follow these instructions to go ahead and switch and make sure that you don't mix it up. You want to go ahead and switch the business account that you just created into a professional account on Instagram. Once you've done that, you can relax. You're pretty much done with all the Instagram stuff. All right, now let's go ahead and get to the fun part. Once you have that and you're good to go, come back to this settings screen under your Facebook page that you just created and click on Connect Account. Log into your account that you just created a few minutes ago. And bam, just like that, your account is now connected. So you can see that the system recommends that you go ahead and set up your business account for your Instagram. I did not go through that process at the moment, but if you have done that part, you are not going to receive this pop-up. You're just going to be all set and you're going to have all the benefits. So right here, you can tell if I go to my settings screen and if I'm under Instagram, you will be able to see that your Instagram account details are showing up right here. Obviously, you want to go ahead and update all of this information, make sure your website, your bio, and everything else is accurate and is the most enticing possible for your prospects, so that whenever they land in your pages, they find it interesting and they find it aligned with what they stand for, so that they go ahead and support your business, purchase from you, and become a loyal customer. We've gone through the basics. Now let's go ahead and get started with the ads.